Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to buy crypto using your phone through Phantom Wallet. No stress, no long sign up. Let's get into it. So you already know what Phantom Wallet is. It's a wallet that works with Solana, Ethereum and more. So you can store your tokens, NFTs and even trade directly inside the app. So your Phantom lets you buy crypto using the Apple Pay or the Google Pay, just like buying anything else online. So this means no need to go through the big exchanges or the complicated setups. Let's get started on how to do it step by step. The first thing you need to do is to open your Phantom wallet, which I have done. Then the next thing you do is to tap on buy, this buy section here. When you tap on buy, then you choose the token you want to buy. So you choose the token like Ethereum, Solana. Let's assume you want to buy Sol. Like you don't have Solana, like the wallet I'm using now, I don't have Solana in this wallet and I want to buy Sol. All I need to do is to click on buy, then touch Solana. But if the coin I want to buy is not actually on this list here, all you need to do is to type the name of the token, then search for it. It will come. Let's assume we want to buy USDT. Then you can see USDT is here. We'll just tap to proceed. So that's all. But let's continue with Solana. We'll touch Solana. Then they'll ask you select the payment method. This select the payment method, just touch the drop down. You can see provider, change provider. So payment method, if you want to use Binance Cash Balance, you can click on this one. If you want to use, let's go back. If you want to use Binance P2P trading, you can use this one. But if you want to use debit and credit card, you touch the last one. And you can see from here, when using Apple Pay or Google Pay, payments made with debit cards are more likely to succeed. So debit card and credit card, when you choose this one, once you choose this one, then you come back, you put the amount you want to buy. If it's $25, you just click on it, then continue. You click on continue. So when you click on continue, you proceed with the next prompt that will come out and approve your transaction, and your crypto will land right inside your wallet, safe and fast. It's actually very easy. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.